बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वकफ़ा वसलामुन अला इबादिहिल्लज़ीना इस्तफ़ा अम्मा बाद। क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला फ़िल कलामिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। कुल इन कुंतुम तुहिब्बुनल्लाह फत्तबिऊनी युहब्बिबकुमुल्लाह। फी मुकाम आखिर क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला वल्लज़ीना आमनू अशद्दु हुब्बन लिल्लाह। क़ाल रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम कुन्तु कंज़न मख़फ़ियन फ़अहबब्तु उअरफ़ु फ़लक़्तुल ख़ल्क़। सदक़ल्लाहु मौलानल अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुहुन नबियुल करीम व नहनु अला ज़ालिका मिनश शाहिदीन व शाकिरीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला आले सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व बारिक व सल्लम व सल्लि अलैहि। रब्बि श्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा। My most honored brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, my subject is the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Muhabbat-e ilahi, ishq-e ilahi. I quoted before you two ayat mubaraka, simple translation. O mere pyare Habib, Qul in kuntum tuhibbunallah. Tell your ummati who say La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. If you claim love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if you want to achieve the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you are help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You want it? Okay. Fattabi'uni. Obey me. Obedience of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. More we obey him, more we get the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is the only path to the treasure of love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Obedience of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Second ayat mubarakah. Wallazina amanu ashaddu hubban lillah. The sign of the mu'mineen is this. Sign of the iman is this. That mu'min believer love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala intense. टूट कर मोहब्बत अल्लाह पाक से मोमिन करता है. अल्लाह अकबर. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless such love. And I quote hadith part, simple meaning. This is hadith Qudsi. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in hadith Qudsi, I was a hidden treasure. I wanted to be known. Then I created khalq, makhluk. وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونِ. हमने we have created human being and jinn for لِيَعْرِفُونَ, for my love, for my irfan. They know me because I was hidden treasure. I felt proud, let me create it. So purpose of our life is to know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Who is Allah? Unfortunately, we know everybody. We know very less about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We do tazkara, muzakara of everything. How much we do muzakara of the dunya in 24 hours. And how much we do muzakara of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which asks question to us. You know that? Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam Habibullah. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam, the Khalilullah. How come he got khillat? Angel questioned it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala showed the angel, look how my Khalil loved me. One angel came in the form of a human being. And Ibrahim alayhi salam was grazing his sheep as a shepherd. And this angel said, he was a human being, Allah. When Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam heard this, oh, where sound came from? He found a person. इब्राहिम अलैहिस्सलाम का अल्लाह का नाम सुनकर दिल मचल गया, दिल की तारें हिल गईं. Said, oh my friend, can you say again what you said? He said, no, I want something in reward. Okay, what do you want? Give me half sheep, half herd. आधी बकरियां मुझे दे दो. Take it. Then Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam, he has thirst of the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala even. He has so much love for even the name Allah in the heart. He said, say again. He said, no, I want something more. What do you want? The rest of the sheep. Okay, you are the owner, take it. All sheep I give you. No. No, again, love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala pop up. He said, my please, can you tell again? Say name of Allah, my beloved. मेरे महबूब का नाम तो ले लो एक दफा और. He said, what do you have now? He said, don't you need a shepherd? अब गडरिया नहीं चाहिए? I'll be your servant and take care of your sheep. You heard it? How much we sacrifice for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. मोहब्बत का जुनून बाकी नहीं है. हमारे अंदर वो मोहब्बत नहीं है खलीलुल्लाह वाली, हबीबुल्लाह वाली. मोहब्बत का जुनून बाकी नहीं है, वो दिल वो आरज़ू बाकी नहीं है. Translation. That kind of love what Ibrahim alayhi salam had, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam had, Bilal radiyallahu ta'ala had, Siddiq Akbar had, Umar Farooq had, Ali Karramallahu wajhahu, we don't have that. मोहब्बत का जुनून बाकी नहीं है, वो दिल वो आरज़ू बाकी नहीं. We don't have this heart of Ibrahim alayhi salam, that kind of heart. Not that desire even. सफ़े कज दिल परेशान सजदे बेज़ौक़. When we stand in the salat, our saf are not, they are crooked, and our sajda will we make, we are in the masjid and heart is out of masjid, right? वो जज्बे अंदरों बाकी, इकबाल कह रहा है, वो जज्बे आशिक़े रसूल आशिक़े इलाही. सफ़े कज दिल परेशान सजदे बेज़ौक़, वो जज्बे अंदरों बाकी नहीं है. No more we have same love of the heart for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. नमाज़ो रोज़ा कुर्बानी हज, we have salat, we have hajj, we do fasting. सभी बाकी है तू बाकी नहीं है. We are in the masjid, mind is out. We are in the sajda, mind is out. Person making hajj in the tawaf, he is calling Pakistan. Brother, please, I am making I'm the fourth round. And when you go, Tata Sahab, make dua for me there. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. I am not saying we should not go to Tata Sahab, Ali Hajjuri Rahmatullah alayhi, and make dua. I love you to go there, make dua. but he is Khana Kaaba. You are the house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You talking Pakistan? यही इकबाल ने कहा है, नमाज हो, रोज़ा हो, कुर्बानी हो, हज सभी बाकी है, तू बाकी नहीं है. Ya Allah, come in our heart. He cannot come in the heart until we kick out everything from the heart. By what? La illallah. What is the sign? What are the signs of love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? We can check ourselves. Do we have these few signs I tell you now? Check yourself. I check myself. Do we love Shairullah? What is Shairullah? Signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Do we love Quran? Do we respect Quran? Do we do tilawat of Quran? Do we know the meaning of Quran, read the meaning of Quran? Do we listen at tafsir of Quran? Do we act on Quran? Do we spread Quran? Check ourselves, where we stand now. May Allah forgive us. When we hear name of Allah, do zikr of Allah, does our heart start beating up faster or not? How much we obey Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? This is a sign. How much we obey the Zahiri Sunnah and Batini Sunnah. How we obey Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam apparently and inherently. Then that's the sign. My face does match with the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam face? Yes or no? My clothing, my walking, behavior with my wife, with the parents, with the relative, do I have fikr of other, that each and every human being may be saved from hellfire? Do we love dawah? Listen, dawah, where we stand. Allahu Akbar. So more we obey Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, bring proper life in our life, that is the sign of the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now, what are the benefit of love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Benefit. I can't count it. If you get Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, got everything. Right? Rabia Basriya, Rahmatullah alayhi, you to make dua. Somebody heard in Khana Kaaba making dua. Ya Allah, मैं आपसे आपको चाहती हूँ. Ya Allah, I want from you, you. या अल्लाह, मैं आपको आपसे चाहती हूँ. जब अल्लाह मिल गया तो मसला हल हो गया सारा. We need Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We want Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If we love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, at the time of death, we will be able to say, La ilaha Muhammadur Man akhiru kalamihi La ilaha illallah dakhal jannah. Whose last sentence be, La ilaha illallah, enter in a no hijab. Soon people put me in the grave, MashaAllah. Window open, sweet smell, fragrance coming from where? Bolo bhai, Jannah, haan, wake up. We get khatma bil iman. We should get the quality of sabr and shukr. This is the benefit of love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We will get the quality of sabr and shukr. Because under good condition, pleasant condition, from where? From Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I do shukr. And unpleasant condition come from who? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I do sabr. दर मोहब्बत तल्ख हा शीरी शब्द पर्शियन, मोहब्बत में कड़वी चीज़ भी मीठी लगती है। यू अंडरस्टैंड? इफ द लव, माई वाइफ सेज, honey, take it. I could not make salan, just eat. But with a charge, eat it. I will love it. On the other hand, if a wife cooked very beautiful biryani, she says, oh, you want to eat biryani? Take it, eat it. Right? There's no love. उसने कहा कि दर मोहब्बत तल्खा शीरी शब्द, मोहब्बत में कड़वी चीज़ भी मीठी लगती है। Therefore, people who love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they enjoy life. They enjoy life. They enjoy salat. When they go in the sajda, they don't want to get up. Hearing me? This one is the sign of acceptance of salat. When we say, Subhana Rabbi al-Ala, Subhana Rabbi al-Ala, it becomes very tasty. Very tasty. Allahu Akbar. In fasting, he enjoys fasting. He enjoys Hajj. He enjoys Ibadah. He enjoys the khidmat of the people for Allah's sake. By the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we will be blessed with a sense of sacrifice. For to whom we love, easy to sacrifice for him. Yes or no?
Yes.
Very simple. As Siddiq Akbar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, everything he sacrificed. Only two clothes with thorn. That's it. Usman Ghani, there was famine, qahat, in the Medina Munawwara. 100 camels came from Syria, fully loaded. He was getting 7 times more benefit, profit. He said, no, I don't want it. I will sell to whom? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He distributed all 100 camels. Allahu Akbar. This sacrifice. Because he loved the makhluk of Allah. He loved Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the love of makhluk is the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We also want to share Allah. Do we know that? How much Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal suffered? Do we know that? For Quran, the Khalifa of the time, he said, believe, declare, O Imam, this is the Kalam, this is not Kalamullah, this is Makhluk. He said, no, this is Kalamullah. All other books are Makhluk, they are not Kalamullah. Injil, Torah, they are not Kalamullah. Their subject matter was revealed in the heart of the Prophet, Musa alayhi salam, Isa alayhi salam. But this Quran Masjid is a Kalamullah, ever living. Allah subhanahu is ever living. Then his Kalam is also ever living. Nobody can change Quran. Inna nahnu nazzalna zikra wa inna lahu lahafizun. Guaranteed. Nobody can change Quran. This is Al-Quran. So how much sacrifice? He was lashed on a naked body. Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal, on the naked body, he was lashed. Can you believe it, old man? Allahu Akbar. But he saved the Aqidah. Because of that, his sacrifice, we are here sitting believing Quran is a Kalamullah. The person Jallat, who lashed him, close to his death, he came. Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal, very sick, he came to him. Imam Sahib, please forgive me. Imam Sahib, please forgive me. It was a command. of the Khalifa. Otherwise, I don't want it. I don't want it. Please forgive me. Imam Sahib said, my friend, now your fault. When you lashed me one time and for second lash, you go away and came back to me to hit second time. I forgave you the first lash. Do we forgive the people who make mistake to us, who wrong to us? Do we make forgive? We should forgive. If we forgive others, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will forgive us in the day of Qiyamah. We need it. Prophet said, the people, one person asking forgiveness, he accepts his crime, and people don't forgive him. He should not come in the day of Qiyamah close to my house castle. He will be kicked away. Yes, brothers, we should forgive. If we want forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we forgive other people. Now, how we can achieve increased love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Few steps I tell now. How we can inculcate, increase more love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Good question. Number one, by more nawafil. By more nawafil and more ibadat. We are close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Wasjud waqtarib. When we are in the sajda, we are more close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. By recitation of Quran and Masjid. By obedience of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. By zikr Allah. When you zikr Allah, morning, evening, fix the time. And 24 hours remain the zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Learn how to do murakaba. You can go to my YouTube, Shaykh Fakir Muhammad Khokhar, Maulana Fakir Khokhar. I put there how to do, what is meditation, how to do murakaba. It's a latent zikr. ये खफी जिक्र है, which we can do every minute, every time. We shall learn it, how to do zikr. By mashayikh, we shall learn how to do zikr. By ulama, we shall learn how to make salat. By elder, we shall learn how to give dawah. What we want to do, ilm is necessary. More we do zikr Allah, more we inculcate in our heart the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Clear? We should fix the time. The zikr is the food of our ruh. Especially I recommend that the old age, right? We should do more zikr of istighfar and la ilaha illallah. You understand? Istighfar, it does not mean young people should not do it. Angel of death can't come any time. Death has no calendar, right? So more we do zikr, third kalma also, why not? Istighfar, when we commit any minor sin, it will happen. Do right way istighfar, Ya Allah, astaghfirullah, I will not do again. Please, forgive me. Allah is ready to forgive you right away. Keep record clean from the sins. By saying La ilaha illallah, if we do kasra zikr of La ilaha illallah, at the time of death, it will be easy to remember La ilaha illallah. More we give dawah, invite the people to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We will get more love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. A mother lost the baby in the market and somebody found him. He gave back to the mother. How mother will be happy and reward him in the same way. But the human being who are away from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, some Muslims even, away from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if we bring back through dawah to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, how much Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be happy. Our Anbiya will die. by work of dawah, we can increase the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Remember that. Every good deed will increase our iman. And as more iman increase, more love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala come in the heart. More we do sins, our iman will decrease. We will be away from the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We will be close to love of shaitan and nafs and bad friends. We should have the company of the salihin, company of the pious people, company of the ulama karam, mufassirin, mashayikh, their company. You sit in their company. Love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala boost up. Very simple. Close to heat, sit, will be hot, simple. You get heat. We live more close to the people who love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, awliya ikram, salihin, we will boost up our love. By sadaqah, helping the poor people. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase his love. And the last thing, Allahu Akbar, make dua. Make dua. After every salat, make dua. Ya Allah, bless me with your love. Say Ameen. Ya bless me the obedience of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ameen. Make dua. And you know that? وَقَالَ رَبُّكُمُ ادْعُونِي أَسْتَجِبْ لَكُمْ. Your Rabb has proclaimed, when you ask any dua, I accept. It cannot happen, we ask dua, please Allah give me your love. He will definitely give us. Now, in the end, we shall self-evaluate. I give you few hints. Self-evaluate today. Go home. Sit down. Do self-muhasabah. Self-evaluation. How much love of Allah I have. Any question, call me. Hazrat has my number. I'll help you, inshallah. Make dua for me. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give me love also. So our condition, again, I quote the same share. I gave you translation already. We have to enjoy. Our condition, मोहब्बत का जुनून बाकी नहीं है, वो दिल वो आरज़ू बाकी नहीं है, सफ़े कज दिल परेशान सिजदे बेज़ौक़. I love इकबाल. अल्लाहु अकबर. ये आशिक़ इलाही. सफ़े कज दिल परेशान सिजदे बेज़ौक़, वो जज्बे अंदरूं बाकी नहीं है. नमाज़ो रोज़ो कुर्बानी ओ हज सभी बाकी है, तू बाकी नहीं है. Ya Allah, come in our heart. Allah, we need you every second, every minute. We need you, Allah. Without you, Allah, without you we cannot survive. You created us. You are our Khalaq and Malik. How we can lead our life without your love, without your presence? We make dua. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, His love. Love of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Love of Quran. Love of the parents. Love of the ulama ikram. Love of our family. Our Muslim ummah. With the niyat of dawah, love ghair Muslimin also. May Allah shower mercy on us. Akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Jazakallah khair. Shukran kasira. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. सुनते पाल लें. Just 1 sec. ठीक है. मेरा दे दो,
ये आपका,
मेरा आपका है।